Hello friends, welcome to Remy's World. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting product, and it's a product from brand Vicks, and it's a humidifier. During this cold weather, when we have normally go through cough and cold and congestion, and for better breathing, this is one of the best products that I have found in the market, and we got this from Walmart. Today my son would like to do the unboxing and he's very excited to open it because it has several I'll show you this thing, several themes in it. You can see it has starry night, then it has ocean, that is sea creatures, and safari theme. So let's see what it is all about.
And they're all dreams. Welcome to Remy's World. And today I'm making the video for my mom. And we're going to unbox this Sweet Dreams Cool Mist coupons. The humidifier with coupons. Whoa, what's this? Oh, here's the wire. Let's open it. Yeah? Okay, one. Ah! Nice. Okay, watch. Oh, so look at the inside. Watch. So guys, this is the tank where you fill all the water in it. So this is where you fill all the water. Oh yeah, and wait. So these are the dream setters. So if you want to listen to the stars, you could do there. Or if you want to listen to sea, you can do there, like all the animals. Or if you want safari, like see hippos.
This is the jungle safari, and it has ocean theme. It has ocean theme and the starry night. So it has three themes also to attract kids, to have a dreamy feel. And we're gonna play this right now so you can see it, how it looks. And it comes with this vapor pads. You can see this is the refill pad that comes. It gives a good smell. So we're gonna put this, and I'm going to show you how the product works now. So let's see.
से रुको आरुनो को ये
डालो.
Nice. Look. Which one you want? I want a star. Okay. So this is the safari. Okay. The ocean and the shark. Here are the stars.
Now can we see the sea, the ocean theme?
Look at the ocean. Watch.
Wow,
Watch
this
it.
looks so pretty.
Wait, it's gonna change. Watch. Kind of fix it.
Will the fish come in it? Oh yeah, the fish is here.
Let's start. For the shark.
Wow, it's changing.
Let's start. Now let's see safari. Safari. Okay, here. Tap.
Put the star now.
Oh look, there's a star.
Yeah, let's see what is there.
Let's see. Come on. Let's watch that.
Yeah, sleep and watch.
Good.
Do you like Aaron?
Yeah, this is so good.
Akko, do you like it?
It looks like there's a star in our house for real. This is so good.
But in the camera, we don't get to see all the stars like as we see in real. See? It's coming less in the camera. In the camera, it shows less stars. Can you change the theme to jungle safari?
Safari?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see safari.
Aaron, do you enjoy this? Okay, let's see.
Elephant, let's see safari. Come on. Look at that. Where's the local? Where's it? I see a rabbit. Like, please subscribe and like Remy's World. We're having a great time. Look at that stars moving. What? Yeah.
Thank you so much everyone for watching our video. This is something very good I found and I thought to share with you all. You can also have this humidifier if you can get it from Walmart or Amazon.com. I'll share the link below if I get to find the link. But we have bought it from the store itself. So this is something great which kids can enjoy. I hope you enjoyed our video. Do give a thumbs up and comments below. See you next time with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.